Hello, this is Paul Nelson with Western Sport Floors, Wyoming Wood Floors, coming to you today from Missoula, Montana. We're going to talk annual maintenance coat. When we talk about an annual maintenance coat, we used to call it a screen and recoat, but we've quit using screens altogether, so we call it an annual maintenance coat. We use a buffer, pretty typical side-by-side buffer machine with an SPP pad, with some basic coatings or another chemical to put just a little bit of a cleaning solution in our chemical tank on this buffer. We're going to cut to a video real briefly. We see that buffer coming along, a very, very small amount of water on the floor, takes the black spots off just like that. We then go back either with a towel and a broom and tack that up that way, or sometimes we will use an auto scrubber to tack up that dirty foam water that's on the floor. After that's been accomplished, we'll come back with a square scrub machine, also using an SPP pad to actually abrade the floor. You can see in this little clip where we're using the square scrub machine that just using a very small amount of chemical foam in this machine as well to keep the dust at an absolute minimum. Actually, the dust would be absolutely zero with a little bit of chemical water coming out of that machine. Once that has been accomplished, we will again clean this floor. You can see from this video that this floor has been absolutely cleaned. You could eat off of this floor. It's spotless. As this camera pans across the floor, you can see a very even sheen all the way across. This floor is ready for finish. So there's two products that we would be using: the IFT by Basic Coatings, the intensive floor treatment, coming back and cleaning it with the Squeaky product. Once it's done, that floor is ready to accept finish, either water or oil modified finish. Hope this has been helpful. Hope to see you down the trail. For Western Sport Floors, Wyoming Wood Floors, this is Paul Nelson. You make it a great day.